at JLo's Instagram photo, I was just blown away at how natural she looked. She was like glowing from within. So I was inspired to try and recreate her look. So I already have my falsies on, did my skincare. I think that's the most important part. And now on to makeup. So here's JLo's Instagram pic. She looks natural, fresh, and glowing. So first to start, I'm going to conceal my dark circles. I will use the Bye Undereye Illuminator by It Cosmetics. I simply just use my fingers. A little goes a long way with this concealer. Holy smokes. Okay. I use my fingers because this consistency is very thick, so using my fingers will melt the product onto my skin rather than using a sponge. All right, next is my base. So I have really uneven skin tone and uneven texture. I always use my Essence My Skin Perfector Tinted Primer in Nude Beige. I don't want to do heavy coverage. I'm trying to be as natural as possible. So let's fill in these pores. I still need a little bit more coverage because I have blemishes. I have dark spots. So I still want to perfect my skin a little bit more. So I'm going to use some foundation. I think I'll use a foundation that has nice coverage, but that's not matte and not too dewy because I have oily skin. And I bought the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Foundation. I haven't tried it yet. I guess I'm saving it for a special occasion. I don't know why. There's nowhere to go. I'm not going to use a lot. I'm trying to be as natural as possible. Oh, it's a nice thick consistency. I feel luxurious. I'm going to set my under eyes. I use the Morphe banana powder. This will set my under eye makeup and brighten my under eyes just a little bit more. Onto cheeks. I'm going to use a cream blush. I have oily skin. I try to look for a blush that's not too emollient or greasy. I'm going to use the Nye Cream ROuge in CR7 Coral. I'm going to use a very light hand to make it look like I'm just glowing from within. I'm already looking fresh-faced. Fresh-faced? I think that's the important part. Make sure you blend so that way it looks as natural as much as possible. Yeah, it really looked like I have a natural blush, right? Right? Okay, I gotta stop now. I gotta stop. Okay, I think I'm done. Wait a minute. I didn't finish my cheeks yet. I think I'll try the Becca Liquid Illuminator in a Moonstone. I don't want it to be like an obvious highlight. Okay, it might be too much. So I think I'll mix it in with a bit of moisturizer. I think that will do. I apologize. I thought I filmed the last segment, but I didn't. So I was working on the eyes. I used the Too Faced Just Peachy mattes. So I used Just Peachy, just this one single color from my lash line just up to my crease. In the photo, it looks like she just used a nice simple wash of color. She does have some bottom lashes. I don't. So to naturally emphasize my eyes, I used the Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil in Endless Cacao. I love this. Used it to line my eyes. This liner tends to smudge on me because you can use it for contouring and on your lips. I am going to set it with a very light powder. I just used the Hourglass Ambient Lighting palette to set it. Okay, we're almost done. So now the lips. Found this lipstick by Giorgio Armani, number 506, Rouge d'Armani. In the photo, JLo looks like she's wearing a peachy mood. So it looks very nice. This is more peachy nude. What if I use the Cream ROuge? The one that I use on my cheeks. Yeah, I think that will work. Let me try that. Oh, this is more like it. Okay. Yeah, this is more like it. And I'm going to mix it with a balm. I'm going to use Lanolin 101 ointment just to give it a little bit of a shine and moisturize my lips. Pretty happy with this. I look natural, fresh face. I think I'm done. Do I need anything else? I think I'm done. Or am I? Actually, I wasn't satisfied, so I mixed a bit more of the Becca highlighter with a tiny bit of the Lanolin 101 Multipurpose Balm. I think the last thing I want to do is just set my face a bit and pull everything together with a finishing powder. I don't want anything too matte because I don't want to take away the glow. So I'm going to use the Becca palette again, and I'll be using Dim Light. And I'm just going to set it on particular areas on my face. Okay. Then I think that's it, right? No, you know, my lips are dry, so I'm going to put a little bit of gloss. So I just use Lanolin Lips ointment, the tinted one. Okay, I think I'm done. I keep on adding. I thought I was done. I'm not done because I looked at JLo's photo again and I completely missed and forgot something with the eyes. So I'm going to line my waterline. Okay, and now I gotta fix my under eye because my liner, because now I just look like, I'll use the shimmery bronze, the Pixie Silky eye pen in bronze, very lightly and very close to my lash line, and I'm not going to smoke it out. Okay, so I thought it was finished, but I wasn't. So just to add, I lined my upper lash line with a dark brown eyeliner, and I just lined it very close to the lash line. I didn't smoke it out, and then that's it. I completed my look. I was just inspired by her natural, beautiful look. So if you liked it and you inspired to try it yourself, please let me know. And don't forget to tune in for next time. And don't forget to please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.